In this video, I'm going to show you how to see protocols in live trades on Axiom. So the first thing you'll need is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description as well as in the pinned comment. If you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check that out. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features that are completely for free, such as a top-notch Twitter tracker, which is the best in the game in my opinion. They have a wallet tracker, a P&L tracker, an amazing reward system which gives you Solana back just for trading. They have their turbo mode, which makes for faster fills and transactions. They have the presets where you can set your own fees and of course presets. They have a bunch of different amazing filters you can use to filter through meme coins, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out. Now, to see protocols in live trades, first you will have to have some trackers established. So I'm tracking some random wallets over here, and if you go to live trades over here, you can now see protocols over here next to the token. So as you can see, the protocol is showing. This is going to be automatic, so there's no need to actually change anything in here inside these settings over here, because again, it's going to be automatic and it came out with a new update. Of course, wherever you are, you can just open up this wallet tracker and then you'll be able to see the protocol yet again over here. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.